Former FBI agent Asha Rangappa explained that President Donald Trump's claim that former Deputy FBI Director Andrew McCabe's memos documenting their conversations are fake. During a panel discussion with CNN's John Berman, Rangappa began by explaining that the timing of the firing is of the greatest concern, because it came at a time that McCabe was a witness in the obstruction of justice case against Trump. Law enforcement analyst Josh Campbell noted a huge disservice has been done to not only McCabe but to the American people. Because essentially what the Attorney General is asking is, trust me, he continued. The press statement from Attorney General Jeff Sessions locked in detail and mainly focused on process, Campbell explained. There were no supporting facts to justify his decision. The Inspector General's report, however, has not been released to the public. When it comes to the memos Trump calls fake, Rangappa explained that from a legal perspective, McCabe will be trusted over Trump, unless there are recordings to prove the contrary is true. There is something called present recollection recorded, which means when you write something down at the time that it happens, if it becomes relevant later, that written recording carries great evidentiary weight, she explained, because it is presumed to be a truthful representation of what happened. This is not great for the president, and I also want to point out that his tweets today concerning the conflict of interest actually goes to one of the grounds that the special counsel could be fired. So, I think it is important to know that he is starting to use the language that is actually in the special counsel regulations that would give grounds for firing Mueller. Watch the commentary below.